Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you camera tips and tricks for the Redmi 12. Let's start from the photo mode, and right here when you click on the volume up or volume down button, take a look. You can take photos with the 2 seconds of the shutter delay. The same for the volume down button. When you click and hold one of this button, you can record short video for 15 seconds. When you go to the settings by tapping on this arrow, you can also customize function of these buttons. So we can, for example, use these buttons like normal shutter without this 2 seconds delay, or use them to zoom in or out. So take a look. When I'm gonna click and hold the volume up right now, I'm going to zoom in smoothly. And we can zoom in to the 10 times. When we zoom out, we have to click and hold the volume down button. As you can see, you can also switch between the lenses by using this volume buttons. When you click on the screen once, you can also find the sun icon and you can move it up and down to decrease or increase brightness level. When you click once on the screen, you can adjust brightness level automatically. When you click and hold on already selected zoom preset, you will unlock this slider, and you can also smoothly zoom in and zoom out. When we click on this arrow for another time, we can find some parameters, like for example, we can enable the grid lines, the center mark, and camera leveler. As you can see right now, it appears on the screen. We can also enable camera shutter delay between 3, 5 or 10 seconds. Right here we can also enable the voice shutter. So we have to say cheese. Let's try one more time. Cheese. And the photo was taken. From other useful options, that's also the timed burst. So when you click on this icon, you can activate this feature, and when you click on this little icon in the right upper corner, the right bottom corner, let me do this one more time. As you can see here, we can adjust the number of the photos and the interval. So we can, for example, take photos like maybe we can set up for 2 seconds, and we can take, for example, 170 photos. Then just go back, and right now when you click on the shutter, each time we can take photo, the phone will take automatic photos. You don't even have to say anything or tap on the shutter. So right now for each 2 seconds the phone will take photo. You can also finish it by tapping right here. Next, when you click on this icon, we can also enable filters. As you can see, they change the color and the temperature on the photos. And if you want to get more details on the photos, you can just move to the 50 megapixel mode, where you can basically take the high resolution photos. So right now you can definitely zoom in much closer, and as you can see, we can spot more details on the photos. Then we can go for the settings one more time, and when we are in the settings, as you can see, we can find other useful options, like for example, we can tap on the screen to take the photo, but also there is the new feature, we can shut with the screen off. So we can turn off screen after 3 minutes of inactivity to save the power while recording regular or time-lapse videos using the time bursts or long exposure. So as you can see, that's like very useful option when you try to record this time-lapse videos. That will take a lot of time, but when the screen will be off, it will not drain that much battery. So we can use this option, and this touch shutter works like that. You can just click on the screen and the photo will be taken. So as you can see, that's how it works. So yeah, that's all for this video. That's all camera tips and tricks for the Redmi 12. Hope you like it.